Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food, and I want to show you my little trick on how I get frosting or mousse or any kind of filling that I'm putting in my cupcakes before I actually frost the top, and it's an apple core. Let me show you how easy this is. So taking my apple core, I'm basically just going to go into the middle, poke the little pieces out. You can also do this with the cupcake core, but I've heard from people that they have a hard time finding those. I'm sure you can find them online, but mostly all grocery stores, local Target, Walmarts, even around the country, you can find an apple core like this, okay? So I've got those plugged out. Now I'm gonna take whatever filling I'm going to use, and today I'm using a raspberry mousse, which is just buttercream frosting that I swirled in some raspberry preserves. It's really delicious. So now when they bite into that cupcake, they'll have a little treat. Then all I do is I go back and I plug those down. Now some people say, well, why don't you just throw the cake away? Well, you know, people are paying for cake. These are actually going to a wedding, so I want to make sure they get as much cake as possible. And then also prevents it from oozing out. Then now you're ready just to decorate. And I've got some chocolate buttercream with my tip here, and I'm just going to swirl. And now you don't even see what's in the center, so it's a little bit of a surprise when they open up. I have about 100 of these to make today, so it goes really quick with the apple core. And there you have it. How easy was that?